Hi, Lily.
Hi, Grandma.
Are you making a kukui?
Yeah.
Okay, make a kukui. Chalk.
Huh?
That's called chalk.
Chalk.
Chalk. You got lots of chalk. Has to stay outside, honey. No, chalk has to stay outside.
Lily.
Oh, Lily. What you making?
Huh?
What's Lily making?
Yeah.
No, chalk has to stay outside, baby. Chalk can't come inside.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, Lily, get it. Okay, come on, baby. Let's stay outside.
No.
Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? You gonna see the doggies?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Ruby!
Where's Ruby? Is Ruby coming?
Yeah.
Oh, Ruby can't get out. Can you open the door for Ruby?
Huh?
Open the door for Ruby, honey. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. Ruby, be nice.
Ruby!
Tell Ruby to be nice. No, open it for Ruby, honey. Bye, Lily. Bye-bye.
And this side.
Where are you going?
No, Ruby coming.
Ruby's coming? You gonna chalk?
Huh?
Make a sun. Can you make a sun?
No.
What do you... No sun? Bye. Bye, Kukui.
No, Grandma do it.
Grandma, do what?
I got up here.
You gonna get on your table?
Okay.
Get on your table. Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay, baby.
There you go.
There you go.
And make a kukui.
Okay, make a kukui.
Huh?
Lily gonna make a kukui? Make it on the table.
Huh?
Make a kukui on the table.
Oh, Lily did it.
Lily did it. Okay, make a kukui. Lily, do it. Is Lily making the kukui? Oh, good girl, baby.
It's broken. I'm broken.
It's broken? Oh, no.
This.
Yeah. Lily, do it.
I'm broken.
No, don't break it. Keep it nice.
Huh?
Keep it nice.
And TK.
Say bye-bye to Grandma. Say cheese.
And TK.
Lover girl, can you say cheese?
And TK in here.
Oh, okay. Bye-bye.